大家好，我是 Vanya. Today, my family and I have gone to the sea. So, taking advantage of this moment, in this short video, I want to express my gratitude to all my subscribers. I sincerely thank all the men, women, aunts, uncles, grandmothers and grandfathers who watch my videos from the beginning to the end. My channel already has 7.23 thousand subscribers on YouTube and almost 60,000 subscribers on Sequoia. And I don't even could have a thought that in 5 months I would be able to reach this result.
我的弟弟马克和继父光现在钓鱼。
看这个，哎，看这个庞然巨，你们看这个庞然大物啊！我天哪！我的妈呀，小石斑太小了。
我回去看一下。
这怎么咬？
我很高兴我有这么多来自世界各地的订阅者，尤其是来自中国的朋友、叔叔阿姨们和爷爷奶奶们，谢谢你们。
Everyone, look at this beautiful nature today.
水温34度。
Seeing the number of likes on my videos, I understand that I work for a reason and that I need to continue please you with a cool content. I'm very pleased to read nice words about me in your comments. You give me a lot of advice, which I should listen to. Thank you very much for your support. I wish all those people who watch my channel a good health, happiness, that everything will be good in your life.
万娘在酝酿一场阴谋啊！来，
感谢中国的朋友们，我爱你们！
哇！万娘好样啦！好，厉害！我天哪，这个水啊，我告诉大家啊，也就是3、4度啊，5度都没有。
我爱你们！
真棒，万姐，молод姐，那边，万姐，красавчик。
大家好，我爱你。
Ну що, як себе чувствуєш?
Дуже сподобалось. Вода дуже холодна. Ви
Ага.
можете повірити, наскільки тут холодна вода.
Да，水非常非常凉，确实凉。
4 градуса.
对。我们现在生火啊，继续烤肉。
非常感谢大家的收看，我希望你们喜欢看我的视频，关注、点赞、分享，回头见。